This is Blanc Los Cabos, and I just checked in and wanted to get a quick video. This is a lead-in room category, so this is going to be a resort view. So most of the room categories are going to be the same as far as the size and the layout. You can obviously have 2 beds or a king, although most of the rooms here have king beds since it is adult only. So it's really, the difference is going to be the view that you have. So this is considered a resort view, but it's still a very nice view. I think obviously we have a building here, so I can understand why it's considered resort view, but you do have the ocean over there. So not the worst. And pool area, love the pools here. The infinity pool down by the beach is really, really pretty. And I'm going to go check out some different restaurants and also look at venue locations for destination weddings. So this is Blanc Los Cabos.